Look at that, guys. There's another pink flowers and pink roses in there. Look. Oh, there's flowers everywhere now. Every day I have to come here in the garden to see what's blooming. And then that. Yeah, look at that, guys. Clematis. Yes. This is the rhododendron. So it's nearly finishing. The flowers nearly finished. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. So huge. Look. Look at that. So big. Rhododendron. I love rhododendron. They are so big flowers. Huge. Nice color. And the petals looks like paper. And look at this, guys. Look. This is rose. Pink rose. So cute. Is it? Smells nice. It's heavily scented. So beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, they are so cute next to each other. They are only in the pot, guys. Look. The pots are so dense. And this is geranium. There's already starting flowering. So this is 2 pots of geranium. This is the other one. They're just starting to bloom. So beautiful. Okay. This is Salvia red lips. Because they are red. They looks like lips. There. So at first they are red. It comes up red. And then after that, it's slowly turning into white. Look at that, turning into white. And then after that, they will be completely white. It's amazing. It's magic. Magical. And the bees loves it. Look at that. Wow. They're pollinating. Okay. This is Sweet William. Sweet William. This. Look at the yellow flowers. So pretty. Look. It's very tall. There. It's planted in the pot next to spring onion. These are spring onions. There. It needs to clear a bit. Needs cleaning. This is red onion flowers. So the seeds are already formed in there, ready to collect the plant for next year. There. They're so beautiful. Beautiful. And the stem is so thick. This is very big red onion. It's only one onion that I planted in here. Look at that spider. Oh dear. And